Hey, what's up guys? It's Serge. Many people dream of becoming active investors and traders. The problem is most people live such busy lifestyles that it's really challenging for them to even get started on that path. There are many aspects that go into becoming successful active investors and generally being able to manage your own finances, but I think on the top of that list is becoming organized. So today, let me show you the 3 quickest ways so you can get started right away on your path to becoming an active investor. So without further ado, let's head on over to the whiteboard. Alright guys, here we are at the whiteboard, and we're going to go through the 3 things that I think are absolutely crucial in order to get organized and get on the path to become a successful active investor and trader despite your busy lifestyle. So the very first thing is setting aside time. And what I mean by that is you need to get into a rhythm of every day setting aside specific times. Preferably you do this in the morning. You look at the market, you look at your research sources in the morning, you do the same thing at some point at noon, and again before the market closes. And that's important before the market closes because you don't want to get stuck in a position overnight. So make sure you have set times each day. It has to be, if you can, the set times each day. If it has to be, an hour or so apart, that's okay. But it's important to get into a rhythm, because if you get into a rhythm, then you're much more prone to take it serious, and it just generally makes it easier for you to stay on track. Alright guys, the second thing you need to do, and you can implement that right now in order to get more organized, is to use modern technology. And what do I mean by modern technology? I mean, these days, if you have a busy lifestyle, and most of us, if not all of us do, you need to be able to check up on the markets, check up on your watch list, read as you go. So you need to have either an iPhone, an iPad, and use the apps that are appropriate for that. Make sure your broker software or research software, whatever you use, is not only set up on your PC, but also on your iPad and or iPhone, and then it's synchronized. So that way you never lose touch with what's going on. So really important, use modern technology. That's the beauty of these days. You can do a market research and trade and actively invest just about from anywhere. That's what I do. I love what I do. I live exactly the lifestyle I want to, and a lot of it has to do with the modern technology. So make sure you use modern technology in order to stay organized and not lose sight of the market. And thirdly, guys, you gotta take notes. You have to take notes. If you want to be a serious active investor and trader, particularly if you have a busy lifestyle, you need to take notes, because if you don't take notes, you're probably going to lose track of what you are researching, what your latest thought was, what the reason was you wanted to buy a certain stock, commodity, or currency, or whatever it is that you want to be an active investor in. These days, of course, again, it's easier than ever. You can use things like Dropbox or Google Drive, or all those things where you can have documents. Again, getting us back to point number 2, not only on your PC, but also seamlessly on your iPhone, your iPad, just about anywhere at all times. So that is a really straightforward way to get started as an active investor, because as an active investor we do need to be aware of the markets. We don't have to sit in front of a computer and watch the flickering ticks roll. In fact, I strongly advise against that. That would be more of a day trading strategy. Most of us are more interested in an active investing strategy, where and those of us that do this really well are probably on average more successful than most professional investors. So you need to be clued in the markets. And again, I summarize, if you have a set schedule each day where you go about your research and look at the markets, use modern technology so you can do this on the go, and thirdly, take notes. You will probably be on your way to become a successful active investor and trader in no time. I hope this helps, guys. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next video.